Hydroponics is a fascinating method of growing plants without soil. Instead of relying on soil, hydroponics delivers nutrients directly to plant roots through a water-based solution. This innovative technique offers a range of benefits for both novice and seasoned gardeners. One of the key advantages of hydroponics is its ability to significantly accelerate plant growth. By providing a constant supply of nutrients and oxygen directly to the roots, plants can focus their energy on growth rather than searching for sustenance. This often results in faster harvest cycles and higher yields compared to traditional soil-based gardening. Hydroponics also offers greater control over the growing environment. By carefully managing factors such as nutrient levels, pH balance, and light exposure, you can create optimal conditions for your plants to thrive. This level of precision is particularly beneficial for growing specific plant varieties or for those living in areas with less than ideal growing conditions. Furthermore, hydroponics promotes water conservation. The systems are designed to recirculate and reuse water, significantly reducing water waste compared to conventional gardening methods. This aspect of hydroponics aligns with sustainable gardening practices and makes it an environmentally friendly choice. If you're looking for a rewarding and efficient way to grow your own food or simply want to explore the world of indoor gardening, hydroponics is an excellent option. With its numerous advantages and relative ease of setup, hydroponics empowers you to cultivate a thriving garden regardless of space constraints or prior gardening experience. The world of hydroponics encompasses a variety of systems, each with its own unique characteristics and advantages. Let's delve into some of the most popular types. Deep water culture, or DWC. In this simple yet effective system, plant roots are suspended in a nutrient-rich solution that is constantly oxygenated using an air pump and air stone. DWC is an excellent choice for beginners due to its straightforward setup and low maintenance requirements. Nutrient film technique, or NFT, involves suspending plant roots in a constantly flowing thin film of nutrient solution. This method ensures a continuous supply of nutrients and oxygen to the roots. NFT is well suited for growing leafy greens and herbs. Drip system. As the name suggests, drip systems deliver nutrient solution directly to the base of each plant using a network of tubes and drippers. This method allows for precise control over nutrient delivery and is adaptable to a wide range of plant sizes and types. Ebb and flow. This dynamic system periodically floods the grow tray with nutrient solution and then allows it to drain back into the reservoir. The alternating cycles of flooding and draining provide both hydration and aeration to the plant roots. Ebb and flow systems are versatile and can accommodate various growing media. Aeroponics. This advanced method suspends plant roots in the air and periodically mists them with a nutrient solution. Aeroponics promotes maximum oxygen absorption by the roots, leading to rapid plant growth. However, it requires more precise monitoring and control compared to other systems. Each hydroponic system has its own set of pros and cons, making it essential to choose the one that best aligns with your specific needs, plant choices, and experience level. Setting up an ebb and flow hydroponic system is a manageable project, even for beginners. Here's a detailed guide to get you started. Materials needed: watertight grow tray, reservoir to hold the nutrient solution, submersible pump, timer, tubing to connect the pump, reservoir, and grow tray, growing media such as clay pebbles or cocoa coir, air stone and air pump, optional but recommended, pH meter and nutrients. Step-by-step assembly. 1. Position the reservoir and grow tray. Place the reservoir below the grow tray, ensuring there's enough space for the pump and tubing. 2. Connect the pump and tubing. Attach one end of the tubing to the pump outlet and the other end to an inlet fitting in the grow tray. Connect a second piece of tubing to the pump inlet and submerge the other end in the reservoir. 3. Set up the timer. Connect the pump to the timer and set it to flood the grow tray for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Adjust the timing based on your plant's needs and the ambient temperature. 4. Add growing media. Fill the grow tray with your chosen growing media, ensuring it's level and provides adequate support for your plants. 5. Plant your seedlings. Carefully transplant your seedlings or young plants into the growing media, ensuring the roots are well covered. 6. Fill the reservoir with nutrient solution. Prepare the nutrient solution according to the manufacturer's instructions and fill the reservoir. 7. Plug in the pump and start the system. Once everything is connected, plug in the pump and observe the system to ensure it's functioning correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully set up your own ebb and flow hydroponic system and embark on your indoor gardening journey. Nutrient management is crucial for the success of your hydroponic garden. Unlike soil, which naturally contains some nutrients, hydroponic systems rely entirely on you to provide the necessary elements for plant growth. Hydroponic nutrients come in liquid or powder form and are specially formulated to contain all the essential macro and micronutrients plants need. These nutrients are typically available in two parts, grow and bloom formulas. The grow formula is higher in nitrogen, which promotes leafy growth, while the bloom formula is richer in phosphorus and potassium to support flower and fruit development. When mixing your nutrient solution, always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Over-fertilizing can be just as detrimental as under-fertilizing, leading to nutrient burn and other plant health issues. It's generally recommended to start with a weaker nutrient solution and gradually increase the concentration as your plants grow. Monitoring the pH level of your nutrient solution is equally important. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Most plants thrive in a slightly acidic environment with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Regularly check the pH level of your nutrient solution using a pH meter and adjust it as needed using pH up or pH down solutions. Maintaining the correct pH level ensures optimal nutrient availability and prevents nutrient lockout, where plants are unable to absorb certain nutrients due to an imbalance in pH.